Hey guys, Chad with Better Vids. Just want to make a short video letting you know that if you're thinking about giving up YouTube, please stay with it because it can pay off, and it paid off big for me. I started posting back in 2016 and I had a comedy channel that I was doing with my friend. It was a faceless channel. I wasn't on channel, but we were basically making fun of reality show clips. And I was just hooked. I started watching Casey Neistat and that was it. I had to go out and get a camera. I bought a $1,000 camera, the same one that Casey was using. It's the Canon 70D, and I was like, oh my God. And I shot a lot of video with that thing. And I went on to create dozens of channels, tried all kinds of different genres, but there was only one real genre that worked for me, and that's my current big channel, which has 155,000 subs and over 12 million views. Now, there's a couple of questions here. One is, should you be posting on other social media channels or should you stick with YouTube? There's really two answers to that. Some creators say that you should just do one platform, master one platform because they're all different. And some people would say, no, post on 2 or 3 platforms because if you don't have success on one, you may have on the other. I would say, it depends what you're doing, but for most of the people that I see, posting on YouTube is enough, but if you want to hedge against your bets, you post on TikTok because you can draw more people in and draw them into your YouTube channel. But I've tried doing that too. I've tried posting on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and all that stuff, and it went nowhere. And so that's why I concentrate practically 100% of my efforts here on YouTube. You just master this one platform. Now, it can be very discouraging to put videos out and get 0 views because you might be doing all the right things. You might have an excellent thumbnail, an excellent title. You might have a description with keywords and hashtags, and you're putting your tags in. The one really good piece of advice that I have is if you're going to make a channel, tailor it to something specific. That doesn't mean you have to be super niche. It just means you have to be in a niche. So for example, this channel right here is all about video editing, content creation, making money through video, and video editing techniques. That's what it is. I don't like to be pigeonholed and boxed into something super, super niche. So a niche that's a little bit broad is okay because it'll bring in more people as well. And if you go too super niche, you might get bored and you might be limited by how many videos you can make. But the whole key is you got to focus on the process, not the results. I don't know if you know who Alex Hormozi is. He's one of the top business gurus on YouTube. And often he'll say, do 100 of something before you give up. And so that would mean for you to post 100 videos. Try posting 100 videos in 100 days if possible. I see a lot of creators saying, oh, just post 1 video a week. That is not enough. You should be posting at least 1 video a day. Even if it's just 3 minutes, you turn your video camera on just like I'm doing. My video camera is sitting on top of a box and I'm in front of my window. And it's in the afternoon, it's about 5 o'clock. And I'm just shooting this video and I'm gonna put it out. I'm gonna do very minimal editing, if any editing at all, and hopefully it will make an impact. Hopefully it will get a few views, but you need to teach YouTube. YouTube's an algorithm. So you need to teach the algorithm about your channel. That's why it takes at least 10 to 20 videos to say, hey YouTube, I'm making videos about X and my audience is X. And then YouTube knows, oh, okay, this is the audience for this channel. But until you make 10 to 20 videos, it really doesn't know that. And of course, there are a few people that make 1, 2, 3 videos and they blow up, but that is rare. So for me, when I posted my channel, I made 2 videos. My successful one, I posted 2 videos, and then I went away from that and did something entirely different. And when that ended, that's a long story, I was like, okay, what am I gonna do now? And then I thought, well, I made a channel a few months ago. I posted 2 videos. Let me take a look and see what's going on. And I saw that one of the videos had 5,000 views and got 500 subscribers. That's 1 in 10 people subscribing to the video, which was excellent. So I said, maybe I have something here. And I realized I really didn't need to post that many more videos to get monetized. And from what I know, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So I figured, well, if I make another 5 to 10 videos, I should be there. And that's exactly what happened. And then the day came that I applied for monetization. That was May 13th, 5 days later, on May 18th, I got monetized. And the very first day I got monetized, the full day, I made $80 in ad revenue. So you can make good money on YouTube. The thing is, don't rely just on ad revenue because we cannot control the views. So you might drop down to $5 a day and then you'll be very, very disappointed. That's happened to me many times. You'll have days where you're at hundreds of dollars and you'll have days where you're at $2. That's just the YouTube grind. That's why you need to continually be putting out content, and you also need to have something to sell. So whether it's an affiliate link, whether it's your own product, it's a digital product, maybe you're doing a sponsorship deal, or maybe you have your own community even, or maybe you're consulting. It doesn't matter as long as you have something there to hedge against the YouTube ad revenue. So I would say don't give up. Keep posting, keep going. Some of my videos I put out get 1 or 2 videos. I just keep going because I know that eventually one of these videos could break free, and all I have to do is turn my camera on and speak to you. Well, thank you for joining me. If you want more content on video editing, content creation, and how to make money with video, stay subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.